I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Oh, Chad, anticlimactic, but very good morning. All right, Chad, JC 200 Just get my glasses sorted here. Took some longs. Nikkei closing up 3.45. Hang Seng only closing up 0.3. I have to be honest. I was a little bit rushed. I thought that the Hang Seng closed up 3.45, but it's the Nikkei Japanese markets already in. So either way, we're gonna go for it. See what we get on the JSE this morning. See if we can get a nice little pop and lock. So I just thought I would let you guys know. All right, Keegan giving you guys a full frontal there. If you didn't like him from 300 centimeters away, you're gonna love him at 10 centimeters away. Keegan giving you guys a lot of bang for your buck there. Chat, how's everyone doing? It is Tuesday. Yesterday, beautiful trade in the afternoon, little firecracker coming through there. Nothing in the morning with regards to gold. Right call, just a very awkward grind to the upside. But today is looking solid, Chad. Also, for the 7 o'clock gang, no trade on gold this morning on the 4 hours. So just want to get some of the compliance out of the way here. All right. So just wanted to get some of the compliance out of the way, and we are gonna start very, very shortly. I think Keeks is just sorting out something quickly. Then we're gonna start. There's a lot of time here. Just wanted to say, Hang Seng, yeah, Nazam. Actually, it is looking flat. Quickly go while we wait for Keeks. Gold, that is the close. Didn't take a short on the 4 hour. Why not? Because we didn't take a previous high. We didn't take any liquidity up there. We engulfed that candle. But again, this is not a swing formation for me. It can come down, definitely, but shorting on one bearish 4 hour candle, I'm gonna at least need to see a previous 4 hour high taken. Okay, so if you were thinking, why did I not take a trade on the 7 o'clock candle this morning, there you have it. Okay, something similar to this. One bearish candle is not a reversal. Okay, Hang Seng closing flat. Yeah, that's what I was referring to. I messed up, but I'm in the trade. The daily is actually flat. The daily barely moved, but Nikkei 3.45. Chad, this is a 3.45 candle. So yeah, let's see where we go with this. How's everyone doing? Everyone doing well? Limpopo with you in spirit, my bro. I'm holding the ready for the waterfall. Just want to say, Hang Seng, look a bit. Okay, Chad, I think we're gonna start here. Otherwise, time's gonna catch us. Let's start with the prayer. We're gonna pray for Keegan as well. I'm doing well, my brother. Slashy, I'm doing very well. Ready for the day. I'm going to pray for Keegan as well, not just the mic there. But our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. And if you believe that, you can say amen. Amen. Michaela, no. We won't forget the prayer. We won't forget the prayer. Alrighty, Chad. What is happening to BTC now? You want me to... No, I am that guy. What is BTC doing? BTC 15.9k. Let me just check here. BTC. Alright. Yeah, BTC is technically in a range. But we'll chat about it a little bit later, but let's get in the economic calendar. Pretty funny that they've got not even a hawk, that's an eagle. But anyways, Chad, beautiful. We've got some pound data here this morning coming out. Average earnings coming out quite hot, 5.4, 4.6 expected. Claimant count change 135, and they're expecting 14.5. So labor market slowing somewhat in the claiming jobless. Yeah. So labor market slowing, but unemployment coming down. Very, very interesting. And then 24k jobs added in Britain. So quite a contrast if you think about NFP, where 300,000 jobs sometimes gets created. Britain 24k, and that's a beat. All right. Some sentiment. Yeah, economic sentiment, current situation coming out 9 o'clock. So actually 11 o'clock. Sorry guys, the time zone GMT plus 2. So that's going to be 11 if I'm not mistaken. Is it 11? It is 11, correct. And then a little bit later here, a little appetizer. Those little samosas you get at a birthday party that's been chilling in the sun a little bit. It was in somebody's car. Usually a little bit sweaty. Skin is a little bit soft. It's not even crispy anymore. But some appetizers before the main course tomorrow. PPI. I don't know, Chad. These platters we always get. Horrific, just horrific. Those meatballs cold when you chew into them. Anyways, Fed Bostic 7:15, and yeah, relatively straightforward. Entry now for buy on gold. All right, you entry now for gold, my brother. We wish you the best of luck. Alrighty, Chad. Daily. Dollar, remember, bearish on the week. Yesterday we were bearish. We had a nice bearish push. Still a range, Chad. Still a range. Still nothing too exciting here. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, do be aware that we can have a fake out and then the drop below. All right. So just keep that in mind. 4 hour. All right, 4 hour is also, I don't know what this is. This is a lot of range. One thing I am going to say that concerns me a little bit is the fact that we are not trading away from this level. Okay, this is not indicating that this is a strong resistance level. This is indicating the bulls have the upper hand here. The bears can't take control away from that level. So this is somewhat concerning. All right, we want to see a move away from that level. I don't know what caused this. I don't know if it's another glitch, but this weird little 5-minute candle here, very interesting there. But 5 minutes showing me not really much. Okay, 2 glitches. All right, this thing is glitchy. EQ down here, Asia low, Asia high. It's in a range. It's below the 200. The 80 is like looking like it wants to flip up. So 2 scenarios for me. Bullish above here. All right. Bearish below here. Anything in between, chop. I don't want to be involved with it. Bullish above there, bearish below here. No trade range. All right. A little phlegm there. Okay, daily US 30. As I mentioned, go check Monday's analysis. We did a full weekly analysis for you guys. US 30, I am bearish on the week while we trade below the previous weekly high. That's why I put an alert there. Yesterday, getting some nice bearish price action. Again, today, still bearish, still can come down. Only way I can get bullish on this week is if we get a bullish daily candle closure like that. All right. That is the only way I can get bullish. Up until then, bearish. 4 hour. Okay. Beautiful. Here you can see another range I mentioned yesterday. There's your range. And again, we can do this thing we did. When was it? Was it NFP week? I think it was. When was NFP week? It was yeah. So going into NFP, we had this. We had that initial range, and then we broke out of the range, and then we maintained that range, and then we had the breakout. So that entire week almost was just the range. Thursday. Okay. I don't think that's NFP week, but anyways, so again, ranging markets, nothing much to shout about. 5 minute, let's check the lower time frames. What do we have on the 5? All right, on the 5, beautiful Asia highs, daily EQ, daily pivot, monthly S1 on top here. There's that trade from yesterday. Very, very interesting here, Chad. Very interesting. Starting to trade above the 200. Yeah, this is very, very interesting. Chad, I'm going to say 2 levels to monitor. Monthly S1 for potential short. Because there you can see yesterday massive rejections once we got back to that level. A little bit of a deeper push to Asia highs. I think it was Carl. Carl, remember I said we can go to potentially retest the lows. We didn't go all the way there, but that was the idea. Low on the session. And then I'm going to say we could potentially be very, very bearish below here. All right. But it is tricky with the AD, what the AD is doing. And then obviously, as always, Asia highs. That is always going to be a contender to contain price potentially. Nasdaq, weirdly enough, bullish on the week. Let me just save that. So why am I bullish? Go check Monday. I said I'm bullish because we took out a previous weekly low. We closed bullish. This is that breakout level there. So as long as we hold above that breakout level, I'm going to be bullish for a pullback. All right. I know it's odd. Bullish on Nasdaq, bearish on US 30, but these are the markets we are trading. Let me just save this. Daily yesterday, also bullish. We have yet to confirm resistance. We are trading into this little breakout zone. In the short term, that is where we can reject, come back, retest this level. Just very awkward the way we are trading up here. Very, very awkward price action. But anyway, let's see what we've got on the 5 minute. 80, beautiful. Look at that. Bulls are here. Bulls are saying, listen, we're ready to go. Give us the call. We're ready to pump some liquidity. Asia is already holding on its way to previous daily high, daily R1. You guys know the drill. If we get above that level, it is going to be a trending day. Otherwise, if we fail there, could come all the way back. Previous weekly high, chat. Here's the breakout. All right. There's the breakout. Previous weekly high. Quite a bit of price action around that level yesterday. So while we hold above the previous weekly high, this could really start moving to the upside. So gonna keep an eye out for that. Gold, let's check gold quickly. Beautiful, chat, beautiful. I told you guys already what I want on gold. They're already taking previous weekly high. This is now we need to start really dialing ourselves in here. We really need to start dialing in here. This makes it somewhat interesting for me for CPI. All right. Okay, daily for me is bullish. Nice little breakout. So we even broke above this most recent little resistance area. Can push back, come and retest that, then push up. Also broke above, barely, just a little nip and tuck there. Just a little, look at that, a little something. So yeah, I'm still bullish. I'm a gold bull. Previous weekly high, there we tested it. Okay, we need to hold above that previous weekly high, otherwise all of this becomes a fake out to the upside. All right, 5 minutes, very simple for me. Chat, beautiful, things are aligning here. Just want to show you something here. Remember yesterday when I mentioned gold was trading away from that 5 minute 200 EMA, and I said, oh, let me just get back here. Keegs, I prayed for you as well, brother. So you are covered. You are covered in prayer. All right. So remember when I said gold, not always, but when it's trading away from that 200 EMA, it's going to want to come back. Okay. We are now at the core. You want to trade as close as possible to this 200. Asia lows taken. Okay. Very simple for me. Even though the 80 is trading below the 200, you can see the general direction. All right. What is this direction telling you? Is this bearish? Absolutely not. Okay. What I'm looking for, very, very simple here this morning. Hopefully we get it. Either a retest of this level, either a retest there, and a break back above the 200, or a continuation trade from here. Continuation there. Very, very simple for me on gold this morning. Okay, that is my analysis, chat. Over to our main man. I just want to get his screen on here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, guys, before I start, obviously just sort some stuff out. Guys, please, when it comes to the Project G members, I need you guys to please. When, again, I'm guessing these are newbies because the guys that are new, they know the process. But when you do the process, guys, and when you want to send proof of payment, send your name, not your number. How must I identify a number, guys? Because when you sign up, you put a name. So when you send proof of payment with a number, how the hell must I match the two? So for example, now you sit back and forth fighting with 3, 4, 5 guys because they didn't follow the corrections and the orders. So you really just make it a lot harder for us, guys. So please help us help you. So please, if you guys do Project G, when you do your reference, use your name. All right. But yeah, let's get into the market, guys.
And that is purely because you're not just a number for us. You're a person. We love you. Okay,
let's dive into it, guys. DXY, what are we looking at? As I said to you guys, we look at how yesterday closed. Nice bearish candle yesterday. As I said, we did get that move up. We spoke about the temporary move. Personally, I will say I would have liked us to have traded bullish, maybe bearish, but still closed bullish. But then again, it's a case of you need to also look where were we before, again, this bloody, I don't know what these candles are now at the end of the day, because they are throwing us off big time.
I also asked, I don't know, is it a glitch? Is it something with trading view? I don't know.
So technically, guys, I just want to do this over here quickly for myself, because I need to just see this. Let's make this, we'll make it a pink line. Why can I not even see that? I think it might need to be a bit bigger. Let's make it, what's the color here that can stand out? Let's even just go orange. We want to see this thing stand out here. So if I go to the daily, alright, there we can see. Okay, that already makes it a lot better for me. So now, okay, that is definitely what I actually want to see. That doesn't make anything complicated, because now, as I said, we wanted to see the candle close about here, which means we traded bearish, we pulled back up. We would have actually had a nice doji candle yesterday, which then is exactly what I would have wanted to see. So really still closing a little bit of an inside day and then taking above that daily key level. So when we start looking now at today, where that gets nice for us is looking on the 4 hour. As you say, you would have closed over here. Now you can trade basically into it, and you would have been trading bullish. There again, I don't know what this was this morning, but this must have been a news event because at 6 o'clock in the morning, I have no clue what that was. But again, big wick to the downside, now holding out over here above that daily key level. So in essence, this gave you that retest of, again, your weekly pivot over there and now your daily pivot. So personally, as I said, I still want to see that little bit of bullish momentum going into the session. So when we start looking here, again, trading bullish, holding these levels, you got Asia highs untested. Again, as I said, I am bearish, guys, remember that, but we want to just see that little bit of edge because today and tomorrow we start bringing in the news events. So obviously keep in mind we have PPI today. So for me, already the fact we're holding this EQ, you got a little bit of a fake out. Again, I like that Asia highs haven't been tested, so I personally would love to see it maybe break Asia highs. And that could either be the fake out, maybe a little bit bigger even, and then coming back in, we'll see that bearish momentum. But what I would also like to see is more of a bit more of a bullish run, maybe even retesting yesterday's previous daily highs, maybe even just the highs over here, falling that a little bit short. And as the news comes in, we start having that bearish momentum. And then closer to the end of the day, we'll have that little bit of a pullback again. So when I talk about this, for me, at the end of the day, as much as you want to have bullish, then that bearish momentum, I look at probably dollar closing in round about that monthly S1. In between, yeah, the weekly pivot and the monthly S1, this is where I want to see dollar finish off the day. So going to be an interesting one for us. Now we go over to NASDAQ. As you said, we are, again, neutral and a weekly. Again, guys, I'm not saying I'm bearish on the long term. It's purely just to see. We want to wait until we can see some data giving us some actual reasons to start flipping bullish. Obviously yesterday really going nicely with that neutral outlook, obviously trading down, testing that monthly S1 again, trading bullish, and then a big pullback later into the session. So the fact for me is that we did have that bullish momentum, came back, retest, and then pulled off it again. So keeping us nice and above, testing and holding that level again. So today I will say would obviously be a nice bullish day for me. Obviously we can see right off the bat, we saw this with US 30 and those things yesterday, testing that EQ daily pivots and just trading one way the whole time. So having your Asia lows, holding, breaking a previous weekly high, holding, breaking Asia highs, holding. Just this is perfect literal up and down, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just carrying on that momentum. So what I really want to see is around about this daily R1. If we don't get a nice break about previous daily highs and the R1, like that big rush, good chance we're going to see a little bit more of a pullback. So we can test into that level. Then if we get any type of rejection, good chance coming back down for a retest of Asia highs. And again, Asia lows untested, other than that just continuation move. So we can see a bit of a downfall. Yeah, I wouldn't want to say the whole way down, maybe just Asia highs and then a bit of a move like that going into New York. Obviously, as I say, we are bullish now. Just want to see what we're going to do going into news. US 30, again, almost the same thing, guys. So yesterday we spoke about this, closing bearish, big sell-offs yesterday. Again, kind of lining up with what we want, so nothing too bad, as that's why we said the neutral outlook. So you had a big bullish move, big bearish move, and then a pullback closer to the end of the day. So what can we see here? First off the bat, I always say this to you guys, massive bearish engulfing. We want to trace this move. So not only did we go all the way back down to falling that a little bit short of the weekly pivot, but now grinding our way back up to the monthly S1. So yeah, monthly S1. So now when we look at the S1, you're now testing this. You've also got this level. If we can hold this as support, very nicely for us to go back up. And I'd like to see the start of this bearish engulfing being tested to break and continue higher. But if we fail at the retest of this level, good chance we're going to come back down. And that will basically line up with almost what we were saying with NASDAQ. Nice stair stepping all the way to the top. Again, Asia lows, daily pivot, EQ with the retest, Asia highs break, and so forth. But now again, as I said to you, if we can hold this level support, good chance we're going bullish all the way back up to previous daily high. But if we fail, I can see the market probably range a bit, and we could have that retest of Asia lows, have that fake out of the low of the day, and then see the market going bullish after that. So just keep a lookout for that one. And then when we go over to gold, very simply for me, guys, as we said, we are bullish. We have had that spot on. Obviously, taking out these highs here. So again, 24.68. We spoke about this. If you guys are on Project G, you will know exactly what we are targeting. And remember, I said to you guys, good thing, I'm telling you, by CPI, that would be our target. So looking very, very good for us. Today, obviously, we do have levels over here to the side. we can see that can play into this. So let's just draw them across. Obviously, it's nice to have a little bit of idea what is happening at these price levels. So we can see over here, we got a little bit of a grid that we are trading in between right now. So on the 4 hour, very, very simple for me. You've had a massive bearish engulfing off the weekly R1. Now if we back down under this level, breaking 2 levels of support. So if we're holding over here, first thing for me, either this needs to close underneath to have the continuation of the bearish momentum, if that is if dollar can come back. Otherwise, what's more likely for me is we can not hold here, be in the fake out. Again, your day count and day cycle, and then now trade bullish after that, so we can go back up for that daily R1 and reversal. So again, on the 15 minute, we are going to see there Asia lows, your fake out obviously going here. So coming right back down from your Asia lows, breaking, holding the previous weekly high support back into the Asia lows, holding that level, now fighting at this level of resistance. If we can break above this, good chance we're climbing back up. We can see the next level, 24.67. So almost a nice follow $5 move from the one level of support to the next resistance. And then as we say from there, it's simply if we can break that all the way back up to previous daily highs. And again, our Asia highs all the way there at the top. But again, personally, I think we might probably get to the weekly R1 and then pull back, and we're going to be trading in this range over here for the end of the day. But that is everything from my side, guys.
Beautiful, Keeks. Thank you so much, Chad. Markets are, bro, well done. That was a blitz. That was a blitz. Well done, Chad. Markets are now officially open and in motion. This is round 3. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Alrighty. There we go, Chad. Fundamental, Chad. Let's quickly go through that. As always, Slashy, BG, and Dylan Savage. So beautiful. Etienne just laying the foundation there with the peaches. Let's just real quick here. Bevan starting us off here this morning. Yen declines as traders ease back on deeper Fed rate cut. Pound yen rises to near 189 ahead of UK unemployment data. Pound maintains tone around 127.80-ish. Gold down but not out. Focus shifts to US inflation data yesterday, but a prelude to the CPI showdown. S&P 500 ekes out gains ahead of inflation data. Harris odds surge to 53. Trump down to 46 on Polymarket. Bank of America CEO calls for Fed to cut rates. Oh, oops. Boom, bang, clang. Where is my credit? Need that liquidity. In other news, Gavin Newsom fires shots at Elon Musk for retweeting altered Harris video. Newsom to sign bill making political parity illegal. All right, that's the governor of California, Gavin Newsom, if you don't know. Yeah, anyways. Chad, Musk responds, I checked with Global Authority Professor Sugan these nuts. Sugan these nuts, and he said parity is legal. Bro, did he really say Oh, bro, Elon, just a naughty guy. Chad, pray for Elon as well. But anyways, DS, most Asian stocks moved in a tight raise on Tuesday as caution persisted before a slew of economic readings this week. Japan's wholesale inflation accelerated in July with the pace of year-on-year growth, the fastest in 11 months. The dollar was in limbo on Tuesday as investors waited to see how US economic data affected the chance of outsized rate cuts. Oil prices dip as OPEC cuts demand forecast. Economic cues awaited. USD franc trades in positive territory for the second consecutive day, near 0.8670 in Tuesday's Asian session. Doing a little bit of a Mike Tyson session. Investors await the US July PPI report, which is due later on Tuesday. Slasher cake, safe haven flows might support the franc and cap the pairs upside. I don't know how the franc became relevant all of a sudden, but yeah, maybe Swiss authorities, Swiss National Bank saying we'll pay some guys to just get some volume to the franc. Pound yen extends its gains. Okay, we had that with the pound data. Japan's parliament will hold a special session to discuss the BOJ's last interest. Chad, BOJ, I don't know what is going on there. That is like a reality series We cutting rates, we're not cutting rates. Rate cuts were too quick. Bro, I don't know. But anyway. Alright, chat. So things, this is beautiful. If you look at this, previous week, 76% odds of a 0.5% rate cut. Odds are now balanced. Okay, beautiful. I love it. Previous day, 50-50. 50-50, Habibi. This is what we want. This is what we like. If you know what we're looking for, you know why we like it. Okay. November, all of a sudden, it is now back to a 0.25 rate cut. Okay, not a 0.5. Okay, so Fed futures looking relatively solid here. Also almost 50 year potential hold in November being priced in. So then December 4.25. All right. So markets almost, as it stands right now, markets are pricing in a 1% rate cut in total before the end of the year. All right. All right, Karma, we're gonna need to talk here. So yeah, chat, beautiful. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are ready for it. Chris, I sent Elon's message to you on Insta. Bevan, let me just check your chat. Obviously gonna wait here for the shuffle here. Bevan host, let's check here. Bevan. Renown change. Okay, Professor Sagon. Chad, I don't know. Elon is an absolute menace to society. Dude, that is just like, I don't know. That guy is like just a young dude that became one of the richest and most powerful people in the world, and then he also bought one of the biggest social media platforms just for vibes. Lost almost 30 billion on that purchase, but still vibing out. Elon, ledge. Alrighty. Just dude, Elon is he's a madman. Chris, did IG call you? No, they didn't, Amina. They didn't. That PayPal mafia doing crazy things. Chad, but for me still the most legendary thing was when everyone said, oh, Elon won't buy Twitter, he won't buy that, and when he walked in with a sink, and the parody behind it was like him saying, let that sink in, like, I bought Twitter now. And some people were like, oh, what is the meaning of the sink? And Elon was just like, let that sink in. And I was like, bro, this man is just on another level. That was incredible. There I knew this man was serious about Twitter. Anyways, Chad, yeah, Elon, love the dude. Loses 30 billion in tweets. We're sending a rocket into space and releasing Tesla Cybertruck. Yeah. Ready for a buy? If dude, I'm ready to do anything. It's just a case of we gotta wait 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes, and after that 6 minutes has come and gone, we're gonna look for a break above here, a hold. All right. We can clearly see that if I just pull this left, this is an area of resistance. So we're gonna need to have a break above, a hold above, and then we're gonna trade it. So you don't have to. Here's the thing, my bro, the market is not a moving animal where you only have this one shot, like we have to take a shot now. No, it's gonna give you ample opportunity. Naman. I can see you that guy. You the guy that thinks you're gonna miss out. You're not gonna miss out anything. We are locked in here with you. We want to take the trades, so don't stress. You're not gonna miss a single thing, my brother. Deep breaths, get ready. So don't overpsych yourself. Don't overpsych yourself when the time comes for us to execute. Then you overpsyched. The adrenaline made you lame. You can't even move. So take it easy. The time to execute is gonna come, and then when that time comes, we're gonna execute. All right. And it's gonna be beautiful. You're gonna see. We're gonna be ready. We're gonna pull the trigger, and it's gonna be just a very, very pleasant experience. He's a menace. Chris, I just want to say massive props to you and Keegs. Loved Ed's segment this morning. Beautiful Robin. Big shout out to our boy Ed as well. Chad, Jock, Ed back this morning. So we're thinking 3 times a week. 3 times a week, the little news segment. We're going to build into it. Also, remember, Ed is not somebody that has live streamed or anything. So Ed also has got a little bit of nerves. Ed also needs to settle into the role. So the more comfortable Ed gets, the longer the segment will be. The segment will evolve into what it should be. So big thing is just starting. That's what I told Ed. Just get a little segment going. Get comfortable. It is no stranger to the stream or to the 2G's community. One of the first guys to support the community, and yeah, it's been here around from the start. So there you go. Forex Insights SA. Oh man, Edski. Hey Chris, just wanted to say thanks for all you guys do. Isak, really appreciate it, my brother. Thank you to you guys. It's easy for us to do stuff with the community we have here. It's really easy when it's appreciated. When we see the feedback, when we see the growth, it's honestly just beautiful to see. So yeah, big shout out to you guys as well. You guys have been really incredible. Yes, big red candle in gold. Still nothing has happened, Naman. Don't stress, my brother. Don't stress. Still just ranging. We're not gonna miss it, my bro. Please, we're not gonna miss it. I see you. I see you want to pull that, you want to click. So what I suggest is get an extra mouse without a battery, and then you just click. You put your mouse on the buy and sell button, and then you disconnect the mouse, and then you just click it a lot of times so you can get that out of your system, and then you wait for your setup. Okay. I can sense that that FOMO in you, my brother. Just through your chat there, I can sense it. Relax, sit back. We every single day we're gonna be with you. Gonna be with you. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. I was also one of the first 5 to 10 subscribers of Forex Insights SA. Yeah, big shout out to Liesel as well. Weirdly enough, I saw Liesel quite a bit on Rydal streams. So Liesel has been an avid supporter of the South African trading scene. So big shout out to Liesel as well. Guys, when I enter my Discord name, do I use my display name or my username? That is a good question, Giddy. I must ask Keegs. No, man, bro, I know, I was you. That's why I know the way that you're saying stuff. I was there. I was that guy. Like, did I miss it? Did I miss it? I know, bro. So that's why I'm saying I was you. That's how I know you, because I was you. Okay, so don't stress, my brother. That is why we're gonna chill. We're gonna wait for price. If price moves like this, we're not gonna get FOMO. We're not gonna enter here. We know price is gonna correct. Price is gonna come test some levels. We just sit back. We let price do what it wants to do. Price is gonna show us where it wants to go. If it wants to go lower, it's gonna break lower. If it wants to go higher, it's gonna go higher. If it wants to range, it's gonna range. So. Dupi, good morning. Hey, Amina. Chad, who knows about that that trigger finger itch where you just wanna press that buy or sell button. You're not ready to wait. You just wanna execute. André, goeiemôre. Ek dink jy het nog vir my 'n WhatsApp gestuur, dude. Ek hou als net op red. Unread, want daar is ek kan ons nie so baie nie. 40. Okay. Daar's okay, nee, dis nie 40, daar's okay, daar is 40, maar ja, ons gaan begin deur hulle werk. André, dan gaan ons check daar. That sounds like me, happy finger, Dupi. You gotta get that finger, under control. I've said it so many times, and I always sound like a broken record. Some of you are not bad traders. All you need to do is stop taking these horrific trades. You're not bad traders. You're actually very, very good traders, but you just do silly stuff. There's too much bad mixed with the good, but there's a lot of good as well. JC Fisser, hi guys, back in the game. Nice to be on stream again. JC, welcome. Trigger happy, yes. Sean, 50 cal. All right, 50 cal. We'll never forget it because you also from Welcome, and 50 cal is one of our older members. So always good to see the older lads also putting through. I'm officially now that guy, Chad. That let me just get this up. I think I'm now officially entered that dad zone where I just want to show you guys something. So, dude, I don't know. I love that I've got a weird sense of humor. Keegan's gonna be like, bro, if you play that reel one more time, I'm gonna kick you out of the office. Last time, Keeks, I promise. This is the.
I don't really need to ask.
Dude, okay, I'm just telling you the story of my daughter. So, so this morning, I enjoyed it. The guys in the office was like, Chris, you lame, whatever. I'm like, dude, it's fine. But let me just see if I can bring it across. So this reel, let's see if I can copy it. This reel, and I told my daughter this morning, I'm like, listen, have you heard what, some of you might have seen it, have you heard what bees do when it rains? And she's like, she comes closer, she's like, okay, let me hear. And I play her this. Let me just bring this across. Oh shit.
Raining, they have some interesting things to say. I give it a shot here. You can see the bees all cluster on the bottom here. Wow, listen to this. Listen to this. Listen to this. I'm a bee.
Alright, so okay, so I showed her that,
This
and
is good content.
and then
This is why.
and then all she did was, I thought like she's at least gonna give me a little reaction. She slides back in a chair, and she just looks at me, gives me like a little head shake, and in that moment I realized I'm that dad. I'm that I'm that weird dad now, and she was like, "No, dude." That's a no from me, dog. Like, no.
Chris is now that old dad.
Bro, I'm that old dad. And I think I told it, Chad, when, now when I drop her off at school, I told her like, look back and wave. And, because I wait there and I'm like that guy, like, all right, bye, lekker dag. And she's like, no, I'm not going to wave back. And I'm like, I'm going to scream and I'm going to cry a little bit. I'm going to make a scene. And she's like, okay, I'll wave. And she walks down, and then I wait there on top. And she does like this weird little quick look back. She doesn't look, she looks like in a broad direction, just a quick little, and there she goes. So I'm officially that awkward dad now. Just a little like, gone.
Yeah.
I'm that weird dad now. Flip sakes, Chad. Came earlier than I thought. I was not ready, but that dadism, that's what they call it. Dadism. It's a condition where you awkward and you laugh at awkward jokes, and then your kids are. But I think Daniel, I haven't played it to Daniel. I think he's gonna enjoy it. He's my guy.
I think Daniel will.
Dude, I'm putting a lot of faith into Donald. It's me and him, bro. When I pick him up tonight, I want to be like, dude, you gotta save me here. And if he gives me a little eye and he doesn't laugh, then Chad, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a tough day overall. I'ma be, bro. It is incredible. That is the type of content that I come to Instagram for. Please share that. I'm going to post it. Last, bro, it is a beautiful. There's always times like that where all of that mindless scrolling just turns into a beautiful moment like that. The I'ma be, I was like, yo. And then also my wife was like, I don't know what you're doing. But anyways, it's cool. It's cool, but not what you're doing now. Like that. That little mess there, that little hot mess you in, nah, it's not that cool. Bro, but I've sent you guys some really good ones. Like and Keegan and them think I'm sending it to them for them to enjoy. That's my way of just archiving it. So whenever I want to get back to those reels very quickly, I don't even go to like the flag, what is that? The save. Chat, I don't even know how to save, but I just go.
This is just going into our chat. I know I sent it to Gibbs.
Bro, I know. That's Chat, I promise you, the first thing I did when I resent that, I went to Keegs, and I was like, bro, there's some bangers. Dude, even that one with the driver yesterday, did you watch it? The guy that hit the drive.
Yeah. I replied to it.
What did you say? Oh, you did. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Chad, wait. Last one, then we're done. Okay, no, maybe no. I'll get cancelled. Okay, 100%. I'm just gonna pee. No, that Keeks, that gets you cancelled.
Yeah,
100%. Okay,
good chance of that one.
But it was a goodie. Let me check it again. Ah, bro, incredible. People are incredible at this stuff.
All right. see. When kids get their teen years, I'm that dad that pulls up with the roof down, hitting loud old school music and do a dance off. Good morning, Chris Key, I hope you are doing great. I just want to find out, I have purchased your mentorship earlier this morning. I just want to find out how it works from here on out. Ryan, once the guys will add you, obviously just check that you have sent your either proof of payment, things like that. If you pay through Paystack, everything should kind of be very seamless. As long as the guys that do direct payments, I don't know why they're still doing direct, but like Paystack's so much easier. If you do direct payments, obviously you just need to send proof of payment to the support team. Then basically you'll get an email. Sometimes, like, it's just crazy, sometimes the email does slip up. That's why we're getting things automated in the process. But once you're done, just go check out the username, your 2G's Discord. Once you have been added, you'll just see that you'll now have access to Project G. You'll see it in the 2G's Discord. So just look out. If you can see Project G, you've been added, brother. Guys, when paying, do I put my username or my display name on my Discord? Preferably the username, but you can do either. It will pick up in the system. But keep in mind, you just need to be part of the free 2G's group as well. If you're not part of that, they're going to ask you to first join that, so because that's how you get integrated into the system, and then they can add you to Project G. So yeah, Ryan, I'm sure I actually did see the team already get into you. So we'll just keep a look there, but I'm pretty sure they actually did add you already. I did pay through Paystack, so I'll just wait for the email from support then, or just add into the Discord group. Okay, if you did that, bro, as I say, if you paid this morning, I think you might already be on it, because you were sorting out some other details. Just go check Ryan there. I saw your thing now, 8:30. I think you might have been added, otherwise you will be relatively soon. So yeah, please, just as I say, just go look on the free Discord, bro. If you can see on the free Discord, scroll down, and if you can see Project G in the 2G's Discord, then you know you've been added. If not, you will still be added today. What does your membership entail, and is it a monthly membership? It is a monthly membership. Please just check out the website, brother. All the information's on the website.
Bro, when my kids get to their teen years, I'm that dad that will pull up, roof down, and eating loud old. Yes, Jeremy. We have to. Chad, I don't know, some of the newer members in Get Ready for Gold in the meantime. So get your gold shots ready. We're going to start bagging that move out here. But Chad, for some of the guys, because somebody was posting in the chat section, they don't know where to from now. And Chad, there's literally a welcome section. I just want to show you guys. There's a literal welcome section. Then there's an actual video where we welcome you to Project G. Then there's an actual tutorial on how to use Project G. A full tutorial, how to use the indicator, where to find the indicator, what's going to happen. So I don't know what is happening, guys. Traders have become they're just like, oh, what is this? Project G. Blah, 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 blah. Chad, please, my brother. There's an entire welcome section. There is a welcome video. There's a tutorial video. Then after the tutorial video, you're going to know exactly what is happening. There is an entire education library. There's the G chat. There's the trade alerts. All of that. Chad, please, man. I'm not saying you guys. Some of the guys told me, yeah, but we will work with you. We will work with you. There is hope. I did pay through Paystack, so I'll just wait for the email for support then. Alright. Kick, somebody's saying for Discord, should they use their username? Okay.
Either or. Doesn't really matter. Preferably the username, but either or. New member and in the game all the way from South Africa. And boy, we are also from South Africa, brother. So glad to have you on board.
Beautiful. South
Yo, gents,
Africa.
every day answering the same question. All the info is on the website. Lol. Nah, we know, bro.
It is mad.
Bro.
I think people have just come to that stage where they don't wanna do anything.
No, you have to spoon feed every little bit. Bro, 60k left.
Sheesh.
60k left, baby.
Thing is like a rolling. Where's my
Bro, I said to Kate, I was like, you know how broken and bleak I will be if it falls just short, eh?
No, it will
If
definitely.
it falls
Nah,
just
it'll
short.
Definitely. Nah, it's definitely.
Ah,
It's definitely gonna. No, it's momentum. That's the thing. They're not just gonna chalk it. You would have actually seen that your views per day have gone up. Sorry.
bro, the impressions are crazy right now.
How much is a milli?
840.
That is mad. That is mad.
Come on, baby. Father's facts, bro. The accent would have never guessed where you are from, boys. Sepanoni special.
The accent would have never. No, man. I've spoken to a British guy and immediately was like, "Yo, bro, that's an African accent." I'm like, "What do you mean?" He's like, "You can't deny it." It's like, "You South Africans, guys are lazy to read." Yeah, I think just at this stage, if somebody asks something like that, we must just refund them and just say, "Sorry, my bro." Just refund and say, "See you at the cross." How do you ignore what your mind is telling you and follow the chart to say, "My setup on gold 4 gave me 2 long entries, but I ignored them all"? Tissy, it's simple. So if you've told yourself there's only 2 scenarios for you, you're either going to buy or you're going to sell, then you just ask yourself, in what instances do I buy? In what instances do I sell? Then secondly, if you've got a checklist like what we've got in the education section, where you've got your buy scenarios and you've got your sell scenarios, then if it prints that setup, you take it. You don't think. That's the only time in trading you don't think. If you already did the think work, then it's just a case of, I'm waiting to see A, B, and C. As soon as I see it, boom, I'm in, whatever. I'm not in now. Let me just put it here before people are hungry for, especially that other guy. Then you're in, you place your stop, you place your target, and then you just go into trade management mode. Then you should have a trade management plan. But as simple as that, my brother. You can't overthink it when it comes time to click the button. Okay? That's why I'm waiting for a break and a hold above here. There's only 2 things that I'm going to look for here. I'm going to look for something like this, but just with candles, a break above. I'm going to wait for a retest, and I'm going to wait for that continuation play. Okay? That's the one play. The other play is going to be a break above, and then maybe something here, a little engulfing candle, but taking a low, a little liquidity sweep to then at least target this maybe resistance form there. So either I'm going to grab it from here, I'm either going to grab the trade from there, or I'm going to grab it from there. But I already know what I want to do. I want to buy this market.
Just buy it, Chris. Buy it, bro.
Buy it, bro. That is what my wife also said. And yeah, it wasn't good. No stress, my brother. I was down and out yesterday with the flu. Read the book Trading in the Zone. You guys in P. Yes, P. How long do you guys want to see if it holds price normally? JC, I just want to see a pattern being printed. So check exclamation Discord. Go check the education section. I just literally want a entry confirm. It's not about how much time. I purely trade off the 5 minute. And that is what I do. Let me just see. Berenhost, I trust them already. They will never do such, and wins and losses are part of the game anyway. Wait, what did I miss here? And Paul wanted and stop watching. How long are you guys on? Did I miss anything? Scammers. Who's scammers now? Alright. The top studio and excellent stream makes people think you're not local so much that even clouds the heavy essay. Really?
Hey,
Okay, that's
we
good to
appreciate
hear.
that.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, that's a good thing to know, though.
Chad, we gotta break that thing where it's like South Africa can't do something at a high level. That's cuck, Chad. We need to break that thing. There's a lot of good creators here in SA. There's a lot of good business people here in SA. There's a lot. I've said it so many times. The diversity we've got in South Africa, black, white, Indian, whatever, colored, whatever. There's so much diversity and so much to give. And it's just a case of coming together and like we can produce anything that the US is producing if we put our minds to it.
Always, guys, we've always said to you, there's no difference.
What size account do you guys trade when placing 17 lots? It's $100,000 prop account, Ryan. We're really going to break that curse. Lyndon, 100%. Already busy. Did you trade in Port? Thought you were American streamers. Oh, okay. No. Slashing much better than yesterday, brother. So I'm back to work tomorrow. Our rugby team is a perfect example. Bro, there you go. There we go. There's the test. Okay. There's the test, Chad. Get ready. Get ready.
Bro, you know what we work it as? I was thinking about now. When we do Cape Town, just coincidentally the same day as the All Blacks play there.
But tickets are... I'm trying to get tickets.
I can get us tickets.
You can't. Can you?
Bro, we can sit in the box.
But what, bro,
I literally can find the thing now, bro. We can sit in the Western Province box.
Bro, that's literally the first time you say that. So we literally need to do that. Let me just
get us tickets, bro.
I'm trying to get 8 for the Ellis Park one. Let me just check.
I was gonna say you don't know Ellis. I can chat to Edwell, see if he can hook us up.
There's 8. Let me just find. It's just the cost. Like I'm not gonna spend 30 grand. Let me just ask you for the Ellis Park ones. There's 8 tickets.
Like need a ticket as well, Chris, but not a box. I think. Yeah, so Bev, it's not like I'm trying to like box. Like I actually prefer sitting in the crowd for the atmosphere. The only reason is because I go through obviously Western Province, so
Check if
they
you
always
can.
have box for you.
Check if you can do. Let me do it.
For Western Province, for Cape Town.
Bro, we have to emergency trip. Emergency trip.
I'll message now, brother. I'll find out.
I can get through Ronnie. Ronnie's trying. Ronnie Cook. They played for the Kings, so he has potentially 8 for Ellis EP. Ellis Park. The committee is going to make a big difference going forward. Yes.
But Bev, send us a message just in case, bro. If VPA can't, then just send us as well. If you're saying that you can as well.
I can get you tickets for 2.5.
Wait, you mean 2.5 is in a ticket?
Yeah,
Oh.
I think it's 2.5 a ticket. What do you think of today's fundament? I'm not thinking too much on the fundamentals. I don't think it's going to have too much of an impact. PPI could. PPI is usually remember PPI is also inflation indicator. They're expecting a 2.7 drop from 3. Chad, has anyone checked the correlation between PPI and CPI? If you want to be alleged, do a little spreadsheet for us with the CPI reading. I might do it anyways. So, I think I am gonna do it just to check. We've got our little spreadsheet that we usually go through. The guys already know it. Wow, okay. Okay, nou wat de... Okay, ek moet but yeah, obviously the expectation is softer inflation, so gonna be interesting to see. Looking forward to tonight's call. Yeah, Project G members, do me a favor. If somebody has got some time today, just a simple Excel spreadsheet comparing the headline CPI print. This one here, just want to show you.
Alright, I message him now, bro. We'll see what they can hook up.
Okay,
first.
beautiful. This headline one here, this one here, headline core CPI year on year. Alright, everything in, not excluding food and energy. This one here. And then if you can do me a solid, and then you just do a little graph on Excel. So you're gonna take this tab here. You're gonna take that the last 12 or even 15 readings, and you're gonna get this one here. And you're gonna plot PPI, CPI, actual, the deviation and the consensus, but you can just do the actual. And then we're gonna see if we can find a correlation. Now, how do we actually talk about it? Beautiful chat. There's our first hold. All we need now, 5-minute candle breaking these highs here. Then we're good. I'm actually gonna see if it's maybe not on trading view. Give me a second.
What are you fighting with now?
No, I want to check the correlation. CPI.
Honestly, don't dive deep into this now, bro.
No. I just wanna. No. No.
I know you love giving to the community, but at the same time,
No. I won't.
Taking away
won't,
from the other
no,
guys.
No. I won't dive. I just wanna see if I can compare it, make it easier. Okay, United States CPI. United States PPI. Oh my goodness, you can do it.
I think these details versus CPI and the forecast numbers from different banks. Yeah, if I was actually good, I actually spoke to Chris about it yesterday. I actually said to him I wanted to do a show to him as well. So we'll chat about it after stream. I'll send you, Fob, send me that list.
Oh, of the
Yeah.
minimums and maximums. Okay.
Yeah, we'll go through all that stuff together, me and Chris. Obviously, Project G guys, we got our prep call tonight.
Yeah. And then tomorrow it's
Accounts
test match.
already locked and loaded, bro.
Have you already?
Oh, it's just in the wallet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chad, you're about to get hit with an ad right now. Boom. I've been blocking these ads, but I can only block so much. They actually show me, isn't the max lot on 100k account 10 lot just interest because thought Ryan, so the thing with a 17 lot on US30 with some prop firms is that their contract size is 1-to-1. So for instance, Vault Markets on their live accounts with the broker Vault Markets, your contract size is 100. So 0.01 is equal to one contract on a prop firm, if that makes sense. So 17 lots with a specific prop firm could be 0.17 lots with Vault Markets, for instance. So I hope that makes sense. Looking forward, yeah, it's going to be a good one. Which one should I use between direct? Debit card is easier, my brother. Card works fine. I sent Keeks detailed Excel sheet on CPI from different. Okay, I'll have a look. Keeks will send it to me. Fabs, if we, I don't know who's quick. If we can just get that PPI comparison with CPI, but I'm gonna do it. Don't stress. I'm just gonna add another tab to that little, very simple Excel spreadsheet that has produced results. If I had to tell somebody there's just 3 lines on it and it's like this, they will be like, no man, what's the secret? Bro, the sauce is there. That's the sauce.
The sauce is in the pudding.
Crypto M2, let me actually go. What is your name? What is your name quickly? I'm actually going to leave the office quickly. Let's sort it out for you. There must be some misunderstanding. What is your name, my brother? Just going to start this playlist from the start, Keeks.
That was my jam, bro.
Sorry, bro. You're going to have to wait another hour for that jam. Crypto M2. Please, brother, be quick on it. I want to go sort you out. What is your name, my brother? Just give me a name. My brother, I need a name. Alright, same as yesterday, bro. The dude does not respond. He drops on your crypto, please, my brother. Just your name. I'm not asking you to solve a global peace. Just a name. Not even a surname, a name. Okay, so internet is the internet short, Keegs.
What?
He's not responding.
No, I entered this fine, bro.
Oh. Okay. Yo, crypto. Is there a lag? His name is Chad. His name is Chad. Okay. I don't know, Chad. I don't know. Keys, let's check that. I'm gonna quickly send a mail here while we. Chad, that's why we wait for confirmations. That's why we wait for price to hold certain levels. Did he respond? Crypto.
I just paid guys a giddy.
Welcome, welcome. Giddy, please go check the welcome section. Read through it.
His name is on the certificate in the Discord, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, but this man makes us have to run after him.
Yes, really makes it tough. In the Discord, where is the Discord?
In 2G's, like the free one, or Project G? I don't think he's in Project G. So what's it under chat? Or where is it?
No, it's not under chat. Only charts.
Our boys.
Is it this guy? Lindelani
It must be.
Tai.
Yeah, he posted a crypto muntu.
Okay, let's check. Let's check. Crypto Muntu. We are now on project Crypto Muntu. See what is.
Guys, we're gonna have this sorted out, resolved with an answer before he replies.
Okay, Crypto Lindelani Moretsane. All right. Give me 2 seconds, chat. 2 seconds.
Not in that trade, thank God. Yeah, guys, that's patience. Patience is key. The free one keys. Oh, yeah, we got it, Lyndon. It's because the fact that the G's have to do this is crazy. Yeah, bro. You know, we always had to help, but yo, as I said, the same thing with the Prodigy, guys. Like, just help us help you. Like, at least meet us halfway. You probably forgot he is funded already. So my only thing is, and that's what's confusing to me, is he came on here, like made that statement he made, and then left. Where he came on mentioning something that after we finally gave him the support email, because I think it was mentioned in the wrong one. Then he came back and was saying something that supports says he hasn't reached the target yet. He's saying he's got the certificate, he's got everything. Like, yeah, how do you get the certificate? But my only thing is, that is the problem, guys. As far as I'm correct, I think Volta sends you the certificate for each one. I can't even remember. Do we send a different one for phase 2? For completing the challenge, for successfully completing the challenge. Yeah, we just send the. So you got the 2 different ones, but my thing is, it just doesn't make sense then. No, like his thing is how he was saying the other message he sent yesterday. Like, he got his certificate, but when he messaged support was saying he didn't reach his profit target.
No, he's talking rubbish. Check your mail, bro. You need to KYC, then your account will go live. Crypto, go check your email, my brother. Send your KYC, and as soon as your KYC
So he
is
just
sent,
hasn't KYC'd yet.
he hasn't KYC'd. Simple, my brother. Go KYC, your account is waiting for you.
Just check under junk. If it's not in your normal thing, it's under junk. But just your thing should be there then.
Just KYC, my brother, but the time you take to respond, I think your KYC might take a week or two from your side, not Vault Funder's side. 2K each, level 3 seats.
2K each, Chris and Keith, level 3 seats. What's level 3 from the bottom?
That's like sitting on the roof. You might as well fly over the stadium with a level 3 seat, Keeks?
Yo.
Is level 3 the roof seat?
That's what I'm thinking. Wait,
Is that where Rassi usually sits with his lights on the roof? We might see Rassi. I don't know if we'll see the guy. Level
Hold
3.
on, bro. Look here. Where's level 3? There's a photo. I need to see a photo here.
Oh, you might see Rassi doing some a light show on top of the roof, but the play, I don't know. Chad, dollar still within that range. As mentioned, nothing in this range for me. US 30, breakable. Is it roof seats?
Level 3 is roof, bro.
Okay. No, we don't do roof. No roof for us. Chad, beautiful break above there. I don't know who took it. I didn't take it. I don't trade US 30 out of session. Check previous daily high, daily R1, and then gold. We just patiently.
Oh, bro, we're gonna go watch the rugby with flipping binoculars.
Young telescopic.
Nah, bro, I still got faith in my boys. I think they're gonna put in clutch here.
Who's that? The Western Province guys.
Yeah.
Alright.
I say even if box is full, like they either have other tickets available. They always pull out tickets, bro.
Level 3 is at heaven, bro. Yo.
We have
No,
faith
man.
here in the boys. They'll pull through.
Crypto M2, dude. Crypto M2. The fact that you passed phase 1 and phase 2 with either you've got very bad internet and you're buffering like 5 minutes in the past. I respect that, but just go check your email. I've told the guys. I said if Crypto M2 sends that KYC, let's get this man live ASAP. Let's get this man live. Rassi with his bat signal. Sure. Dude, it's even going to be tough for Rassi. He's going to need a big light at level 3.
Bro, I was thinking now. I was like, we must prank call Dobby. But I'm like, I don't want to prank call him now. Like, we want to get tickets, bro.
The poll reflects about 90 over liked. Yes, less than 50. Chad, let's hit that like button. If you have not liked, smash that like button. We're going to get into some gold trades very shortly.
Has he even replied yet?
Ooh.
Crypto.
No. He's still just saying Chad. I don't know, bro. That man is experiencing a stream within a stream. He's like on his own journey there. It's beautiful. Chad, if you haven't done so yet, drop a like.
Yeah, bro, he replied with Chad.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Alright.
He's on a journey, my bro. It's beautiful. Just Chad, are there any discount codes for Vault Funder at the moment? Yes, Garth, 2Gs. That is the one currently you can use. PPI is crazy. The minimum is bloody low. Okay.
Yeah, but all that really means for us fobs is like you won't have a continuation move because it makes it very hard to break the low.
Bro, that man is receiving the prayer now. It's beautiful, Ruben. It's that is the journey that is on.
Oh,
but we love it. Do you guys follow the wick filling concept? I do. That's why I'm bearish on US 30. On a weekly, I do expect us at one stage to go and fill that wick. Even if it's just 50%, but there is a chance to go and fill that wick. It's not really a wick filling concept, Chad. Let me explain a wick to you. All right, let me quickly, while we wait here for gold, let me explain a wick to you.
Explain it,
So-
Chris. Tell us, bro.
So in all essence, if you consider a wick, let's say even a wick on a 4-hour time frame, let me just do a little bit of education here. Let's do something like that. That is a bullish candle. We've got a bullish candle there, and this is a 4-hour candle. All right, so this is a 4-hour candle, and now what potentially is going to happen is that wick that you see on a 4-hour is maybe on a 15-minute. It is actually a lot of candles that did this. Let me do something like this. Okay, let's say on the right is the 50-minute time frame, whatever. It's arbitrary, but a lower time frame doing something like this. Let me just show you, so you can understand the concept of a wick fill, that you don't just think, oh, a wick must be filled. Okay, something like that. All right, because there's the candle closure, there's the open, there's the high, there's actually should be another candle. But now the idea with the wick fill is that you've created a high. Okay, there was a high created on the session, and now what's going to happen is price is just pulling back. So always, how do markets reverse? We come back to the all beloved market maker, liquidity, all of that is the case that any high that gets formed, there will be a pullback, and as a minimum we will go and retest that high. All right, and what's going to happen is we're either going to create a double top to reject, we either going to push a little bit higher and then reject, faking out buyers, then coming back into the zone. We can even come a little bit short and still reject. Who remembers the M patterns, the bat patterns, the double top, all of that, liquidity, whatever. Or what's going to happen is we're actually going to break through and you're going to get a continuation move. All right, so that is the idea with the wick fill, is that on the lower time frame, it's purely a high created, it's a pullback, and you expect again a push to either reject or to break through. That's as simple. That's all you're not seeing on a wick fill, is that a wick fill is just a structure point to target. Okay, all right, so hope that makes sense. Hope that is valuable to you, because we sometimes fail to realize what is in a wick. That is, there's candles in that wick, just not on that time frame you're looking at.
Giddy, just understand, brother, the support teams are everything, but they obviously have other stuff to do. There's actually a lot of, like I say, it's a good thing, but Project G and everything's growing at a very fast rate. So I don't really sound bad, but they don't just sit there waiting for your order to come through and add you immediately. They kind of do it.
Let him know his time
They do it
starts.
in waves. Yeah. So from when you your 30 days only starts from when you added. You will be added today, but let's just say they get to it every like 2-hour windows. So they will get to you. It just might not be like right now, but they will get to you, brother.
Okay, I understand now. Beautiful, brother. Yeah. So that is a wick fill. And that is why, if you've traded with us, you will always know that we look at a session high or a high and a session low, and we know there's only two things that can happen there. And the guys that have traded with us will tell you as well. We expect only two things. We expect volume to break through and we continue higher, or we're expecting a reversal. And that is usually a point of management for us. So if we enter here, for instance, we get to that session high, and then we usually go break even, because that is where volume is going to come into the market, or that's where it's going to reject. How many members in Project G?
Currently, I think we're at like 85 or something at the moment.
85, Ethan.
Keep in mind the database is a lot bigger, but it purely just comes to remember it's a monthly subscription, so guys come and go as they please. And but yeah, I think yesterday when I saw the numbers, I think we actually just hit 85 or 80 something. Yeah,
Is that live guys?
yeah, live.
Okay.
And that's, keep in mind, that's the ones like for today so far haven't been added. So I think already now, like when Giddy and these guys are added from today, I think we'll probably be sitting on 90 today. The guys always join around news events to trade news. Then we kill news, and then they kill themselves by the end of the month, and then apparently it's our fault. And yeah, that's the circle of life, guys.
Make money during news, lose it, wait another month. Then it's usually 1 month on, 1 month off, 1 month on.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, Chad, the what's the name? The JSE trade is
How'd that go?
no, it's still ranging. I took one earlier this morning, close to the pivot here, and then 8:30 is when I take that's the actual main position. So
guys, but that, hey, that's the thing. Like, I'm not saying that's what Chris and myself are gonna be, but you need to be real and raw, hey. So I told Chris that there used to be a guy, one of my mentors, the people I was learning from, and also it's a monthly subscription. But in those days, bro, that man is straightforward. He'll tell you, like, shut up. Like, if you don't mute your mic, he kicks you. If you do something wrong, he'll get rid of
what's
you.
in it?
He'll tell you straight, you're an idiot. And then he'll tell you straight. He'll be like, guys, I talk to the ones I talk to because I know by half a month, 2 months time, you guys won't even be here anymore. You guys will probably be broke and you'll be out of the group. Like, that's how you would talk to the guys. Because he'll be like, listen, I don't need to bother remembering your name because you won't be around that long. And then it's a case of until you prove me different. So, like, there's mentors, guys, that they're good, but they are hard on their community.
Yeah,
I'm not saying we ever,
no.
like Chris and myself are real and
No,
raw, but I
totally.
don't think we need to be that rude and hard on guys.
I do think some guys, to an extent, sometimes need a little bit of a wake-up call. I think a lot of guys have a little bit of entitlement around them, and they've been shelled like in this little coupon. So then I think you sometimes just need somebody to say, bro, what are you doing? Like, honestly, you're not God's gift to the planet or whatever. Like, we all need to put in work. Chris has his moments with the mics not being muted. Okay. Delayed as I had to pause stream there.
So it's something we're working on. I know Chris is a very giving person. Sometimes we need him to just keep a bit quiet. Don't give away too much. But we're working on it.
What is that?
He's like, to be fair, you could really just get unused bias if a person just listens to the stream.
Yeah, Chad,
Because Chris likes to go, there's only 80 or only 100 guys. Let me just give it, yeah. We're working on it, Chad.
Yeah, bro, I don't, what Raja Banks does, I want to do the opposite. Okay, so if he's doing 30 minutes, I should never be on the 30 minute. All right, because that man's track record is horrific.
That someone just told you to do what Raja does.
No, he says, why am I using the 5? He's seen Raja uses the 30 minutes. Yeah, no. Whatever Raja does,
person.
yeah, just whatever Raja does, completely opposite. Okay.
Bro, I saw the dynamic duo was back together.
Who?
Darren and Joash.
That they sort out their troubles.
I don't know, bro. Maybe they were just finalizing the divorce papers. I'm not sure. But, yeah.
When are we getting DD on, my bro?
When we start the podcast series. They all locked in, bro.
All right.
That's what I just said.
Where did you see they locked in?
You told me to message and get all the guests confirmed.
No. I mean, like, when did you see him locking in?
He posted, I think, a day or two ago.
On his
Joe
story.
Ash, Joe Ash was over at his house.
Now I think he's done with Rocket X though.
No,
I
I'm
think,
not saying the
yeah,
Rocket
I
X,
think
but I'm
they,
just saying
I think
him
they're
and-
still mates, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think he's.
They're not,
he's
but I
done
think
with,
they maybe they mate still, but they're not that like partnership what they were. I'm here for those little crabs. They are. Did Didi and the Orange Muppet kiss and make up? Finally, Derek and sniff more archetype. But I must say, bro, he doesn't actually post a lot of content stuff anymore. I was looking at the other day. Literally, he posted a chart. I think for the first time.
there's
I mean, this
nothing
was
on
just
the
me,
chart.
but it was like the first time in like a week. Yeah, he has actually been posting a lot. Maybe he's finally leaving the trading game.
Remember, he's still new actually to the trading game. That's the thing. He's a network marketer.
Yeah.
That's what he does. And then he came into contact with Clint, and then he wanted to do something where it's trading and network marketing combined. So it's this weird mutation of trading and networks. So here's the thing, and if he confirms and it comes down, I will tell Darren this as well. I don't think he's a bad guy. I think he's just in the wrong industry. He is somebody that needs to do like almost a digital marketing business. He's got that energy, he's got that hype, but trading is a different animal. It's a different community, and you cannot. Oh, shame. Send me those photos. Okay, beautiful. Send it. Man.
Wait, what's this?
I'm gonna still phone her. I'm still gonna phone her. Let me get those photos.
I'm looking at it
I
now.
saw your WhatsApp. Yeah, I'm gonna copy some of the pics. Chad,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
Just want to show you guys.
Are we allowed to post these photos anyway?
Yeah, we can post
No, I'm
them.
just saying because I think I'll put that on the socials for people just to
Yeah.
see that. No, I'll just put it out just to say some of the parcels going out.
All right, Chad. So here's some of obviously what you guys. There's the bag. So it's the blankets. Obviously the blankets for each guy, and then in the care package, there was a number of things in the care package. But the Lita and them, they do outreaches. Okay, let me copy that one as well. So this is the care package they got. So there's like some foodstuffs in bully beef. There's like pap, tomato stew, 2-minute noodles. There's quite a bit of stuff in. Chad, it doesn't look like a lot, but I think one care package is like 250 rand. That's inflation for you. This year, dude, 250 rand. 250 rand today is like 10 rand 20 years ago. I almost fell on my back when I saw a can of bully beef at Macro. Keys, what was it, like 38 rand a can?
Yeah.
It was 38 rand for just a little tin of bully beef. So we did the best with what we had. 90k packages equated to 30,000 rand. And then also we still had to buy these Westpac just to put it in a nice little bag for them. This was 15 rand on its own, just one of these. So 90 of them, it was almost 1,250 rand. So things cost money. I honestly was shocked when I saw. Okay, yeah, Keeks, for Ellis Park, 2,850 per ticket. But it's like next to the field. It's good seats.
We can look at that.
2,850. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna get my wife to approve a skirmish. I don't know. Like, hey, Liffy, little rugby skirmish. Rugby for what? Yeah, rugby by the huis. Biggie Ragas. Chad, where's Richay Mini? Or Richay Channing? Regan. Yeah, Chad, it's you guys. And then also, obviously, Vault Funder, Vault Markets, beautiful. So yeah, they're giving the stuff out. So like I said, they do it two ways. It's the physical part where they give you food and a blanket, and then they also do some spiritual ministry with you as well. So it's not just about the food part. The food part is very important. Like I always say, you can't eat a prayer. Okay. We have to be practical as well. Can't say, oh brother, I'm praying for you, and the guy's like, dude, I'm hungry. No. Stop praying, go buy him food, come back and then say, bro, have lunch here, eat, and then we pray. Don't pray if somebody's hungry. If you've got the means to feed him, go get food, and then afterwards you pray. Alright? Such a warm heart wisdom about the market, slowly but surely changing my mindset towards the market in a positive way. Beautiful. Tiritiso Korisang. Beautiful. Yeah, Alan, it was great to give back. Yeah, small little impact we make. We can't even say, yo, we made a massive dent or whatever, but it's something small in this big world that we live in. That little gear that we turning can turn into a big gear as well. So we'll see where it goes. Apply for that visa, Chris. For what visa, Lyndon? Alright, chat. Still nothing here on gold. Relatively flat. US 30. Alright, coming all the way back there. Interesting. 80 flipping bearish. So, I don't... Kicks, is this a B play for you guys? Where are you guys? Monthly is one there.
I'll tell you what play that is.
Bro, I've seen your plays. I've seen it. I've seen it. Everybody helps, Chris. Can't undermine. Yeah, no. I do believe every bit helps, but I just mean like when you think about it, dude, 30k was like. Let me actually show you a photo. It's scary. Kiggs, I don't know what you thought when you saw it. Like it's relatively scary. Like what stuff is costing. And then it's like, bro, how did we get to this stage? Chad, let me just show you. This is 30k worth of stuff. Okay, it's packed now on top of one another, but let me just show you. So the blankets, there's only 2 here, but there's three of these bales compressed. So there's 30 in each. No. 36, yeah, 30 blankets in each of these. Then there's some rice. I think this was the soups we got. Yeah, that was the soups. There's some pop here in the background. There's a lot of canned stuff. We got a lot of bully beef. I just said, bro, like you got to give protein. You can't just give all of these carbs, no protein. So I said we can spend a little bit more on the bully beef. Then there was a lot of 2-minute noodles in here as well, some chips. Can't go wrong with the knick-knack, chat, especially the chutney one. I love the chutney one. I said at least throw in some side treats there as well. There was what else was there, Kicks? We had the rice, we had the pop, the Drinko pop we had as well.
There was baked beans,
sweet corn.
There was the noodles.
What was in here? We had something else. There's Chad, but this photo here, 30k. That is 30k worth of stuff in this little bundle there. It's not even. Yeah, Chad. I don't know, bro. It's mad. What stuff is costing? What stuff? Sure, a little bit of German coming out there. Dude, a knick-knack is incredible. Kigzo is still having a meeting today. Rushed in,
yeah,
Hamid. I can't think it's expensive. I've been in the UK for 9 years now. When my mom told me how much a 2-liter Coke cost, I was shocked. Last time I remember it was 14 Rand to not been back to SA since 2021. Justin, it is, dude, it's mad. Knickknacks, bro. Knickknacks, incredible. The chutney one I live for. The original one, no. The original one tastes good, but the thing is, the smell of athlete's foot in a packet it's tough. It's a tough sell for me. The chutney one, beautiful. Sweet chili, beautiful. The athlete's foot one, no. Kigs, have you eaten the athlete's foot one? Knickknacks?
Yeah.
Athlete's foot. You like the athlete's foot one? That's the original cheese one. No, okay.
I must be desperate, bro.
Athlete's foot in a pack, my bro. It is 100% athlete's foot. If you ever wondered, yeah, I think I'm heading to the shop for a knick-knack chutney for sure. Bro, if you ever wondered how they managed to capture the smell, it's, dude, yeah.
Alright, guys, green packet's the best. So one
Dude.
fruit and chutney.
Jay, I just think that is, bro, that is athlete's foot there. I just think that is, no man, I mean, you know it's athlete's foot. Then this, Chad, this is like athlete's foot, a lot of just this, I don't know where my wife got it, but my son loves it. This here, my bro, this is like athlete's foot in a sauna. You know
Okay,
this,
bro.
kids.
Okay, but those are clutch, bro.
How do you mean clutch?
Those,
like the smell?
no.
You-
The smell is bad. The smell is
Yo.
bad. But they taste good, bro.
Chad, the
I
flyers,
will
my bro.
eat those, bro.
The one day I walked in and I'm like, what the heck is that smell? I'm like, something died in here. And I'm like looking all over and I'm checking. I'm telling my wife, listen here, something's off here. And she can't like grasp. And I'm smelling and I walk in. I check Daniel. He's like munching. And I walked him and I'm like, bro, what is this chips? What is this athlete's foot my poor kid is eating here? Recently started committing more time. Join Karen, so much value over and above that. Been tuning to the channel. Maria, welcome, my brother. Flies smell. Ed, I have to agree. The smell is horrific, but there's something about trying it. Knick-knack, yeah. Dude, a fritto as well. The twilled one, even the blue one, bro. Both. Sorry, the blue one is the lacquer one. The twilled
the
one.
sweet chili,
yeah, sure. Athlete's mouth, my bro. Enjoying the pods and chats you guys are having and learning tons of new shit. Beautiful. The beats, the knick-knack smell. Sure. Classic stinking bomb. Yeah, Angela, you know, my bro. You know that. Ooh. Nah, my bro. You can almost say flies smells like a prison cell, my bro. I don't know. Nah, Chad. Flies is chalked, my dude. Sure. That chive smell. Yo.
Nah, bro, they really don't smell good, but they slap, bro. The taste, that's a different story.
Nah, my dude. That's a big no from me, dog. Your oaks are making me miss SA. Are you missing the smell of athlete's foot? The prison cell? I don't know, Warren. I can send you some of that. Send me your address. I'll send you a little care package. Chris, you're breaking me here with your comments. Justin, I was just saying, my dude, how it became alright to eat that stuff. I don't know, dude. I think that is why South Africans are just built different, my bro. Like, if you had to take that to the US, these boys can't stomach a flyers or a knickknacks. Because knickknacks, I can tell you, Chad, it's not gluten free. You need a strong digestive system. That's like a lot of corn just pulped together, then fried. Dude, I don't even know. How does knickknacks? They won't even show you how it's made, bro. It's like, it's just, no, it's like.
It's like, no, guys, you don't need to know about that.
Let me see if I can. Knickknacks production line. Tom Wang.
Tom Wang.
It's very weird that an Asian guy went there. But I'm just saying, Chad. Okay. Alright. Damn, my bro. What is this? Okay, this is in China where they're making their own little knick-knack factory. Let's check this one. This one looks a little bit more operational. I just want to see like the raw product, like is it grain with like some starches? That's what I imagine it to be. Where do I start the process? That's what I want to see. Yeah, you see, they don't show you the raw, they just show you. Nah, bro, this is chalk. They just show you the knickknacks traveling across the factory.
They're being clever with that.
They wouldn't show you that wet mix, my bro. I think it's like those wine presses in the old day. The guys are there with their feet, like stomping on the knickknacks. All right, next batch of. Anyways, Angela, bro, I don't even know with the current level of inflation. Like for R1.50, how do you can't even buy the packaging for $1.50. Like, how is knickknacks $1.50, my bro?
No, that does.
I don't even know, dude. Like R1.50. Some of the stuff you get on Timo as well. I told my wife, like, you can't even buy the material for for that money. And then somebody, yeah, Chad, I don't know. The barbecue cracker snack was a hands down cracker snack.
I have no clue.
Cracker snack. Yo, let me check. I've never heard of cracker snack. Crack a snack. Damn, I wrote this cracker snack. Oh, I see. It was the Kit Kat group.
I still have no clue.
Cracker snack looks like these Chinese chips and sweets. Like, I don't know if you've seen like some of these China shops. They import like their own sweets, and you just know, bro. It's like there's gonna be traces of plastic. Yeah, cracker snack. I'm just gonna pee quick. Kig's gonna throw in yours. Cracker snack.
Cracker snack.
50 Rand for 100 packs, so that's 2 Rand. 2 Rand a pack.
Bros, who you expect from the kind of packets? Our thanks, listen. Ships. I mean, food make a cracker snack. Sheesh. Foxy chips went hard. Swing on. I bought a bag last year. Says of Yorkie Labrador in Chinese sweets. Does your dividend go in the same direction as gold? Yo, that's a bit of a weird correlation. If anything, you can put them over each other and you can let us know, but I don't know why you would think Euro JPY would move the same as gold. I don't even understand the breakdown in that. OPR. Also the best time a packet of fresh You always can touch those. I don't seem to find them anymore. Coming out the best packet of chips. Hey, the chat's going hard here, guys. Alright, there comes that breakout we were looking for. Nasdaq and USD. Literally, the only spoke about, guys. Big move to the top side. I don't know if anyone caught these things, but there's your big move to the top side. Now breaking back under. USD coming back down for that level, so. Any chips from here? 7-Eleven. The Chad. Yo, my head. Yo, guys, we seriously need to get new headsets. These ones are chalky in my ears. This is only me, guys. Not Mondays. London sessions just aren't the same anymore, eh? Oh, okay, that's beyond. What are we sitting at here with the likes, guys? I don't know. Where are we sitting? How does that make sense, guys? Now, to explain that to me, we have 261 votes on the poll, but only 177 likes. How does that work, guys? You can't tell me you hit yes, and then you didn't hit like.
Okay.
Little bro, I still haven't. I'm sitting on a plastic chair here right now. That's the levels we're at.
What is that? Your
He's
chair?
like, did I get a chair yet for the office? I was like, nah, bro, I want a plastic one here. Java session recently, Java's where can you watch the Ultimate Trader? What do you mean, where can you watch?
The Ultimate Trader. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to check.
Oh yeah, guys. Chris, I don't know if you want to put out that leaderboard because it obviously we do have it now.
Where's it?
It's in our work group.
Okay. Let me. In our work group. In our the P office one.
Yeah,
right?
PE office. Battling the finals. There,
All right. The one that was say, okay, Chad. So the Ultimate Trader leaderboard. Listen up. In position 1, we've got Craig Haupt with 0.01%, but he is funded, so he is the furthest in his journey. And he's in Team Chris. So Team Chris in first place. Then second place, we've got Kiash Babat, also funded, parking the bus there, 0% gain, but second place, also Team Chris. Then in third place,
sorry, bro, just to interrupt there. So number 1 and 2 are literally parking the bus. Craig literally 0.01. Like one of them just need to do like a entry and close a little bit in profit, and they can take it.
So Kiash is so the two funded traders are in Team Chris in 1 and 2. So there's nothing really between them. Then all the way, nobody in phase 2. So nobody in phase 2. In third place, we've got Christian Bester, 9.99% gain.
Yo.
That man is close. Phase 1, that is Shaq. Then in fourth place, we've got Ryan Smith, Team Chris. And in fifth place, Neil Esterhazen, Team Chris. So I don't know who this Chris guy is, but he obviously all of the boys are. So Chad, technically for fourth place, you just need to beat 1.25% in phase one. All right. I'm just putting it out there.
Oh my word.
So Christian Bester would obviously now, I think, unless he does something horrifically wrong, will go to phase two.
The guys that were first and second from Shaq's team blew up.
Yeah, they blew up. And Chad, we get into the tail end of the Ultimate Trader, and I told the guys before we get into strategy, before we get into all of that, I said, let's just think about the competition. It's the long game. We want to still be around. We don't want to shoot the lights out. And you can ask my team. I said, that's the first thing. So let's just get that mindset right. No need to go for home runs. No need to go for home runs. And the boys produced a solid. It's test match cricket. You don't see the guys in a test match slogging for sixes and fours. No, they're just building innings. Beautiful. Yeah, I think Keegan's boys would need to throw something on CPI. I think if you're down 7%, I don't want to give financial advice here. Chad, please note that this is not financial advice. These streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please seek financial advice before making any financial decision. You will lose money if you follow what we do on these streams. All right, Chad, you're 7% down. Keys, I don't know. What do you think? You throw that 3% in the fire. You see if it's going to withhold the flame.
Bro, I'll just football my phone tomorrow. Hey, Farbs is going to take the risk. Then we go to. But, yeah. The thing is for me, honestly, I think the big game comes like, were you doing this for the prizes or were you doing it to get funded?
Or or even the education, if you think about it.
Yeah. Well, my thing is, for me personally, where things are sitting, if it's a small account, fuck it. They full bought it on CPI.
Full port.
But if it's a big account, then I'd be like, it's not worth it. Like, trade your way back up, because don't just throw an account away. Chris, but you are my financial advisor.
Hey, babe. Nah, Chad. How did it go? It didn't go the way we wanted it, Lyndon. Purely based off we weren't allowed to post the content we wanted to. We couldn't give updates with the leaderboard. There's a lot of roadblocks. Do I want to do it again? Absolutely. But we're gonna have to spend some time on the legalities of doing something like this. So there's gonna be a more formal, almost disclaimer document. There's gonna be a document where you're gonna need to say we are allowed to use your name, your surname, the data from your trading account will be this. Chad, is a lot of flipping red tape that we're going to need to consider. Do we want to do it again? Absolutely. I think it's just it was an awesome idea. We thought about it. It was something that was birthed as an idea. I think we executed very well in terms of how we wanted to get the guys on board. It's just the updates didn't go as we planned. That's the unfortunate event with any one of these campaigns. And we even had to delete that press conference Believe it or not, compliance said, bro, like you need to delete the press conference.
Bro, honestly, if anyone ever comes to me with compliance, I'm gonna slap them in the face. Like, I don't even want to hear about it.
Yeah, compliance. Anyways, so yeah, that's Chad. That's the unfortunate thing. Compliance throwing a little spanner in the works there. But I think to keep it easier, what we will be doing going forward is just a competition. So we're gonna do a competition, and you're gonna sign up. And as you sign up, you can opt in for the monthly competition. So
Bro, did you see China has introduced unhappy leave?
really,
Yeah, so if you're not happy, you don't come to work.
yo, that is interesting. Yeah, so we're gonna definitely do another competition format. Yeah, we'll still see. I still like the idea of the AFCOT. AFCOT is still. Yeah, I don't know, Chad. AFCOT is still something I think we can do. Little AFCOT. Sheesh. Songs are pumping. Yeah, Chad. So if you wanna buy a gaming PC, Craig is the guy to chat to in the next couple of weeks. Is Craig in the chat? Yeah. Where's Craig? Is Craig? Yeah.
Bro, one of those boys are gonna risk it.
One of the top two. You think so?
Bro, you literally are separated by 0.01%. One of you just need to eat 0.5% to take the first place. Bro, I'm telling you now. I'm not saying they're gonna blow the account, but one of them are gonna take it. Bro, you're risking it from a monitor to a full PC. Isn't the difference of one trade? One trade.
Keys, I think your guys' B setup played out here. Is that the B setup?
The B setup, but my thing is, I can tell you none of them took it. I'll put money on it.
You think the boys didn't take the B setup?
Yeah.
After this break lower, yeah.
I'll put money on it, none of them took it.
They can still take the Nasdaq B setup.
I just say, bro, you can take a horse to water, but you can't make them drink.
Maybe Kiash is waiting.
He's gonna wait for that last week, and then
He's gonna say,
hey, Menti took it. Okay, I like to hear that.
is Menti one of your
Yeah.
boys? Alrighty.
But
Mentalians.
bro, I think they're gonna wait for when we announce that when we're gonna call it, and like that last day or two, like ask for the leaderboard, see where they are, and then take it.
Mentolia.
I would even say, actually, don't have to have the guys blow the account, but I'd even say you contact the two of them and say to it, guys, like, you guys almost are like a draw. Like, you have a trade-off in the sense of you both just have to choose one trade for the day, and you have to take the trade.
And then whoever wins that trade.
Yeah, like that will be the prize. Because technically, did Craig actually take a trade? That the
That's
fact
what
he's
I don't understand.
0.01
Craig,
up.
where's Craig? Either it's something.
Because how the hell did that work
Where's
out?
Craig? I don't think Craig is. I'm gonna ask Craig. It's weird. Maybe. Oh, the boys are saying Kiash, so there's some side bets going on here, Chad.
That's my thing, bro.
Chad, there's some side bets going on here.
And to be fair, Chad, keep in mind that leaderboard is from last week.
Ooh.
Those boys could have already changed thing
Ooh.
around
Okay.
today. Keep that in mind, Chad. That's from last week.
Where's Kiash and where is Craig?
One of them could have already taken something now that they
Where is
know it's equal.
Kiash? Let me try and get some information here.
Hold on, Kiyosh he's funded, right?
Yeah, it's fun, bro.
No, so if we had to look on the leaderboard,
Oh,
we'd see
yeah.
him.
Good check. Let's see here.
If we look on the leaderboard, we'll be able to see them.
Ooh.
Let's see.
No, Kiash hasn't done anything. Kiash hasn't done anything. Beautiful. No, it's nothing wrong. That Kiash, my boys playing the long game. Yeah, they just first sandbagging the front there, just making sure.
Neither of them have done anything.
Bro, but so Craig Chad has now officially got 1 million rand in funding.
Hey.
My boy Craig. Beautiful. And Chad, I'm honest, Craig has been with well, not been with me, but Craig has been up and down and backwards and forwards with his trading for many years. So Craig actually took a trade, eh?
Oh, did he? And what did he
Yeah.
break even?
I think it's maybe just took a little trade and closed out. But yeah, he took one trade. That's why that gave him that $1. That $1 is the difference.
Yeah, $1. Oh my word.
$1 here. Is this NCS? Can't be. It's still NCS. Dum, 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 dum. Let's check here.
The fact, bro, that you just gave it away, like that's a $1. 100% Kiyosh is gonna be on him now. Bro, you can literally open a trade, close the trade at like $3.
A little boom boom. In out.
Like literally open up like half a lot. Like it just needs to go into profit, close the trade. Alan, brother, we are not talking about this.
Wait, what happened now?
We are not talking about this, bro.
What is Alan?
That's where I saw the use Linda was like, yo, Keegan's been nasty since the first week. Bro.
I think Keegs had some guys on the top step, if I'm not mistaken.
Alan was on the top step, bro. The
Oh, yeah,
first
Alan,
week he was in
bro.
phase 2. The first week he was like 2% away from going funded.
Alan. My boy, Alan. Chad.
It's a touchy topic, guys.
Chad. Alright, this 4 hour looking like it wants to close bearish. Yeah, Keegs, I'm gonna give it like 10 more minutes, but
For me, I'm not getting anything now.
relatively slow here. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what we do here, Chad. Remember, 80 is below the 200. I'm not convinced. Could we take a plea? 100%, my brother. So remember Dow. There's the monthly S1. We said that's the one key level. We broke back below. Then we said Asia highs. Then we break back below into Asia highs. Now the next area is this here. This little area here. Alright. But very choppy, chat. Guys don't realize when I say choppy, this is choppy. You go up and you go straight down. That is not good price action. You want to ideally see this in a orderly market. You want to see a nice push. You want to see a consolidative pullback, then a nice push again. This is the ideal market structure, something like that. Not this here is chop. That is not. What is that? Yeah. Anyway, it's a big no from me, dog. Oh, JSE position is not too close, but close to stops. Dying. Is this going to be the first loss on the live account after missing all of the winners? But let's see. Can the JSE pull itself back into this? It hasn't really broken out of the range yet. Thanks so much, Chris. Yeah, Jason, it's a weird. This daily candle in itself is a little weird. Inside day yesterday. So yesterday's daily candle traded inside Friday's daily candle. Check there. So inside day. So not really breaking out. I think the firecracker has got some weight to it today, Chad. Believe it or not. Could we please take a quick look? Okay. Ooh, gold. Here we go. What I have to say with gold though is that okay, yesterday just grinded. Usually around about 11 o'clock is when you get your pullback. So guys, while we wait, I just want to quickly do this. If you haven't not done so yet, smash that like button. I just want to do a quick poll here. Chad, just let me know, are you bullish for the US dollar or bearish? I'm putting out a poll here. I just want to check something quickly. Just want to see what the boys are saying. Are you a dollar bull or a dollar bear? Lisa, I don't know who the 2% is, but we love the 2% either way.
Are you giving away things again?
No. I'm just checking using our data set here. Just want to see where the boys are leaning, and then obviously whatever reading we get here, we're gonna do the opposite tomorrow. Chad, unfortunately, that's the stat. I can't fight the stat. The stats tell me that retail traders are usually on the wrong side. And, alright. Currently, it's looking like dollar strength tomorrow. Okay, so if all of you boys are seeing the dollar... Chad, let me know, why do you think the dollar is bearish? I just want to see this. And this is not just for fun. This is actually, we're going to use this data. I want to just show you guys something. Tell me, why are you bullish or bearish on the dollar tomorrow? What is your reasoning? I want to show you both sides of the coin here. Take your time. There's no rush. I just shook the 8 ball. Okay. Fair enough. That is Just be consistent then with the 8 ball. Don't shake it once, shake it every time then. But 8 ball, okay, 8 ball. 8 ball coming through. I voted weakness because I want you to think dollar strength tomorrow. Dollar strength tomorrow, Chris. So I can use your heavy wallet to fill up my light wallet. Okay, Bevan. So you're using some reverse psychology, some propaganda tactics. I see you. I see you. Okay. Every news day. Okay, nice, Brian. Market structure bearish on daily. Okay, so you've got a little bit of a technical outlook. I like it, Evan. I like it. Flip the coin. Okay, coin flip. That's fine. Just be consistent with the coin flip. Weak labor market and possibility of rate cuts. Okay, Ruben hitting us with some fundamentalist, fundamentalist, purely technicals for me. In the long term on the weekly, DXY is at the monthly pivot support and above 200. Let's have a look there. So Jake saying on the weekly, yearly pivot. Okay, still a little bit away from the 200, but yearly pivot. I see you. I see you. There's the yearly pivot. Yearly pivot, my bro. Alright. Alright. Chad, it's an interesting one. Like I asked Keegs as well on Sunday when we had the call with the members, and I said, Keegs, is there anything that's going to potentially shift your bias from a technical point of view? Because obviously we base our ideas off the fundamental view, but already in trades in last week on GU. Okay, Evan, position trader here. Dollar is bullish currently. Liquidity grab of previous weekly low. Push up after a chalk. Okay. Lots of liquidity to grab on the downside. Alright, basket of goods increased. Yearly pivot I meant. Okay, DXY daily. Lots of FUD. That's the volatility. And Chris, you know, you preach about the yearly pivot. No, Jakes. I'm all for the yearly pivot. I'm all for the pivot, my bro. Okay, and Paul, I get you. So saying the cot. Let's actually, while we've got you here, Chad, I'm not giving anything here. I'm just initiating you guys to think a little bit, to ask yourself a question. I'm not saying I'm having the call tonight with our members for Project G, where I'm gonna do a full breakdown, and Keegan as well. But I'm just asking. I'm just starting the initiation here for you guys to start thinking a little bit about what it is that's happening here.
Don't worry, Chad. He says too much. I'm cancelling him.
He's
I'm pulling the plug here.
All right, Chad. So dollar positioning hasn't really changed, Chad. So since June, 17th of June, dollar has been in this tight little consolidative hold. There was that initial push. So the question is, do you guys think that this is diverging? That smart money is going to start pushing price higher? Something maybe like this, where it's a little breakout, a consolidation. I don't know. I'm just asking the questions. I'm also challenging myself to say that after a long consolidation like this, then a little break. What did the dollar do in the past? Little consolidation, little break. What did the dollar do? Little consolidation, break. I don't know, Chad. I don't know. Look at the cot. Little consolidation, little pop and lock. Consolidation. So it's currently looking like, if you look at these little consolidative holds, that the dollar gains strength after that. All right, so go look at that. Build yourself a little thesis here. But remember, we're trading news, eh? We're not position traders here. We're trading news. So very, very interesting here for you guys to look at it. This green line is smart money, guys. This is usually the guys they say you should follow. So all I'm saying is consider. All right. I'm not saying consider anything. Just go have a look. Build yourself a little thesis. Build yourself a little thesis there. I think the DXY will be bullish fundamentally, but because of the weak labor market, technically it will fake out and break again up until rate cuts are in effect. Okay. Rate cuts will happen. CPI will determine. Okay. Yes, Franco, 100% right. 100% right. That softer labor market print is what opened up the conversation that we're having now about a potential 50 basis point cut. All right. Now, chat, it's very, very interesting. It's very, very interesting to see that 60% of you are leaning towards a bearish dollar, 40% leaning towards a bullish dollar. I'm going to actually end the poll there. I'm going to give you guys 2 more minutes. I want to screenshot this and I want to save it for us, just as a little something fun tomorrow. And don't worry, Project G guys, we will again have Rolio giving us insights as to what the other guys are doing, so we can do the opposite. A marble strategy, all right. Fabs, are you looking at the right one? Let me open up. Let me check here quickly. Let's see where we are at. No, Fabs, I'll check. Give me a second. Okay, I'm just gonna throw on your screen quickly.
Go for it, bro.
I want to shoot some B-roll stuff. So, like, the one shot I was thinking about is like me sitting there, and I'm blurred, and you focus something at the back, and then you bring me in focus. Have you seen those shots where it's like, and then it's like from being focused on the back, starts focusing on me, and then it blurs the background. Like some of those B-roll, that top shot. Something like from the top, something from like the workspace overall, like some different angles for that type of shots, and then even want to do some motion ones where, I don't know if you've seen those jump cuts where I will walk and it's like you cut every, something like that as well. I'm gonna sit with you. I've got a lot of ideas that are saved as well. So
No, bro, I think we need to start finishing up.
yeah, I'm gonna chat. I think 11 o'clock. Let's quickly wrap it up here. Let's jump through.
To literally another way.
Is it your call? Oh yeah, it's your
Yeah,
call
I'm on my
today.
call today.
Chad, nothing here for me. Nothing here for me. I think we're gonna get a breakout. It's PPI. It's still a big one. It's a red folder event. Not trading it. We're saving ourselves for tomorrow. So we're gonna trade the aftermath. We're gonna trade the volume that's gonna be coming afterwards. So don't stress. There's still volume. I'm not selling here. I'm not buying here. This is a tight for gold. A $5 range is tight. Okay, not doing anything there. Okay, so wait for price to give us a break above and a hold, or a break below and a hold. We've got the previous weekly high here, which makes it somewhat, I don't know why it's not giving me the text, but this is the previous weekly high here. All right, so if we're going to start breaking below that, that's obviously bearish. The longer we hold above it, the more bullish it is. So nothing here for me. Dollar we said, please monitor. Where is, sorry, dollar key level there. There's your key level to monitor. But yeah, Keeks, anything you want to quickly go through on the charts while we've got you on here?
Nothing for me, guys. Simple as you said, same thing yesterday. Not going to force anything. Early days, a big week. We don't need to take anything unnecessary. We had a good trade yesterday. Today, markets following the plan of what we wanted, but no entry criteria is really where I would have jumped in. So yeah, just going to lock in, see what we do on New York session, and then obviously the big on tomorrow. But obviously we have PPI today, so I will be looking what PPI does today. Won't be trading it, but we will be taking notice of what is happening there.
All right, boys. Fabs, you guys, I'm actually, as we speak, I'm on it, busy with the tech team. So give me a couple of seconds. Should be a quick fix. So I will let you guys know in the G's chat. But again, thanks so much for joining. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subscribes. Thank you for all of the support. Go check out myself and Keegan's Instagram. Go see the fruit of what you guys have done, giving back to the community. Beautiful to see. So again, Keeks, thanks so much for the session. See you at 3 p.m. Cracker, T222s, firecrackers, athlete's foot in a pack. I don't know, Chad. It's going to be messy. It's going to be wild, but we will see you guys 3 p.m. PPI, baby. Cheers.
of smoke. Breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. In the blackened eyes, make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Darkness take control.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want now. This ain't what you want. Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I rip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.